I hear you're new around these parts.
Yeah, getting away from the corridor.
Front stranger?
Just don't call me tunnel trash. I'm looking for a garage door. I got a lot of stuff to store, which does not include my car.
Well, I think we can help you out there. I even made the backdrops for your wedding shoots.
I don't wear white.
Here at Kooler, we repair garage doors with a 25-point inspection, install new garage doors, and we custom clad garage doors to get the design that you're looking for.
You're right on target.
Then let's get designing.
Then draw.
No, I paint.
At Kooler, we're here for your painting needs too. We'll repaint kitchen cabinets, interior walls, and on the exteriors, we specialize in stains. At Kooler, it's artwork at every job.
That looks nicer than the ice bucket I'm living in.
That's right. We'll turn your shack into a she shed with insulated garage doors and your favorite colors, which will be.
Black.
You and your little doggy will be toasty warm.
I'm a cat person.
That explains a lot.
Kooler Painting and Garage Doors, where different worlds and colors blend together. Come see us at 811 North Main, call us at 596-3696, or visit us online at koolerhomes.com. That's Kooler with a K.